All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Yeah, been away for a little bit. Had a few things I had to take care of. But we're back here. I hope everybody had a good day today. The markets have been moving, right? Post Trump being elected, right, for president, and the markets definitely reacted to that. Yeah, but let's dive in right away. Let's do a top-down analysis here. And hold on, let me. All right, let's take a look here. All right, let me go into the daily first. Let me start off here. I'm on the gold chart, gang, by the way. Let me get rid of this for now. All right, let's take a look where we are. Gold has been making a correction, right? So I did draw this up earlier, but I'm gonna do this again here. Where's my? Actually, from right around this level here. Just drag this down slightly. All right. So we do have this trend line here. So we see how gold has been moving up. You know, we tested this trend line several times. We came all the way down and bounced right off that trend line there. You can see that. So a couple of things I noticed off the daily, right? There's a lot going on, but just on technical analysis, right? We do have these last 2 days, no bottom wick. Gold just ripped up and has been pumping. Now, on the daily, we do have this area here, right here, where this level is. Let me just, not that much. Let me just drag it down a little bit. There we go. So on this resistance level here, it's possible gold can pump up and try to tap into this level here before we got to move down, right? It's possible. Let's see if I can get these arrows to mark it for me. So we got this move here, right? And then it might come back down and test the trend line here, right? Once we retest, it can make a correction, right? And I think that that's when we're going to get the break of this line here, and we're going to drive down. That's my prediction on gold at the moment. But this could be the top, right? We already broke this level down here. So once we, let me, broke this level here. See this resistance level here, this support before. Now we came down, broke below that, tapped into the trend line. Now we came back. My expectation was a retest of this breakout here, right? But we closed above on the daily and pumped up here. But again, no bottom wicks here. So what I'm assuming is now that we broke above, we're going to probably come and test this high up here. So it's possible we see gold retrace to about 26.65 or so before we get that rejection. But yeah. So let's drop it to the 4-hour, right? Because we're going to be looking at some key levels here where we can look for our entries, right? So let's mark these horizontal levels here, right? So we had that level there, right? We broke, retested, and now we're bouncing up. No bottom wick on this current 4-hour. This target here, which is the daily target, let me just slide it up right here. So, you know, I'm thinking gold might want to test here right around that 26.50 range. This is an area of resistance here on the 4-hour. Looking left, you can see here where we have that area where it was support before it bounced up. Came down, also support here, right? Then we got that rejection, but we broke below that level and drove down. So this could be an area off the smaller intraday time frames where we can see price get rejected. So it might not tap up here. It might want to come up to 2,700. It might reject from 26.50, or it might go into that daily level, which is that area I told you around 26.65ish, right around this area right here. So a lot of levels that we ought to look out for. But off the 4-hour, I will keep an eye on price here right around 26.50, and we'll see how it reacts here. If we get a rejection here, I might be inclined to take those sells back down. But if we get a closure above, it's probably going to run up. So that's off the 4-hour, right? So let's look at the 1-hour right quick. So the 1-hour had this level here, right? just kind of zooming out or zooming in. So we had that level here. We're currently trading at this level here, and notice what's happening here. All right, if I zoom in, look at that. We wicked above, ripped above 2641.6, and now we're flipping, right? Well, how much time we have left? There's a lot of time on this candle. We got about 47 minutes left, right? But if this candle makes this top wick and then flips bearish and then drives down, closes bearish below this range, then I'll be looking to take my sells back down to fill the range here. So we have our range right here, right? So I'll be looking to make this move here, right? Because it could also be a double top formation here. But if we get a closure above here, yeah, even off the 1 hour, we can look for positions to buy here. And what's our next target up here off the 1 hour? Yeah, we got about 100 pips up here, right to this level here, which is that's that 4 hour resistance, 2650 range here. So yeah, that could be a potential move here to trade this range in here, right? Now that we marked those levels up off the 1 hour. All right, so that's what I have on NASDAQ. Let's take a look here. I want to on gold. I'm sorry. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been pumping. Today we took this buy. We took a sell here. We got wicked out here on this drop, but then immediately took that buy, and now we drove it up. So let's take a look at where we are, right? So this level right here, we're approaching that level there. I think we're gonna push up. We do have Nvidia reporting earnings. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but we have a few key levels, and I'm marking them all up together. I'm doing this off the 1 hour. So this is the range, right? Look at this, right? So this is our support here, support, right? Look at that rejection, beautiful rejection there. This was the top here. See how we had that resistance here, this resistance that formed here with these candles when it ranged here, but we clearly closed above, and now we're driving up, right? But this is where we're running into this level of resistance here. So let's see, right? A closure above here, we take that buy. If we get a tap into this level, maybe a wick above to take out the sellers from here, and then if we get a closure below forming that resistance there and that rejection, then I'll probably take a sell coming down. But the fact that Nvidia is reporting earnings tomorrow, I think that this wave all the way down, now we're gonna come back up and take out the highs up here. I think that the NASDAQ is gonna want to come up and take out this level here. So yeah, I see, you know, the NASDAQ pulling up to about 21,240, 250, maybe 21,300. Take out the highs, and then I think we're gonna get a massive dump. So it's gonna do something like this, come up, make new highs, and then once it makes the new highs, then we're gonna get a massive drop all the way back down. So that's my prediction on the NASDAQ, but we'll have to wait, right? NASDAQ doesn't move too much during Asia, so but that's something that I would probably be considering looking for tomorrow's push with Nvidia. Let me see if I can take a look at Nvidia. Let's take a look here. Nope. Where did I put it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. All right, hold on 1 second, gang. Here it is. I had to find it first. All right, gang. So this is where we at here with Nvidia, right? All right. So Wednesday, November 20th. They report after the closing bell, though, but they're expected to have good earnings tomorrow. So let me see if they have any information. Not much other than what the earnings will be, but yeah. So that's tomorrow. After the bell. So, you know, they're trading. They're up about 5% on the day. So yeah, they're pumping. So I think Nvidia is going to drive the NASDAQ upwards. So that's the plan for tomorrow as far as Nvidia goes and the NASDAQ, right? Let me see if I can Trying to send something here. All right. Now, one other thing I want to look at. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I'm going through these real quick. It's 8:17. We have plenty of time. Let me delete all these drawings. Let me start off on the 4-hour. Wow, look at all this chop. I mean, look, it's ranging, but yeah, but you know, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. I mean, look at this off the 4-hour. I mean, it's just ripping up. But let's narrow it down to the current range, right? So, all right, so we have this support level here, got tapped twice there, got tested twice. And we had this level here, and this is where it's interesting, but looks like we got a fake out. So we had this resistance here, rejecting here, got pushed down. When it came up, this candle clearly broke above, but the next candle came, ripped right back down and closed below, and now this candle is trading bearish. So a bit of a fake out there. This could be our new resistance level right here. So see the wick right here, just the tip of the wick here, and that's where it rejected it. So this is about the resistance right around 93,435-ish or so. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a little bit of a drop here. It might come back down to maybe this 86,900, 86,700 level, something like that. So it might come back down, retest, and then rip up. But let's see. Again, a closure above this level. Got a candle to close above. Wait for the retest, and then we can take the buys up to new all-time highs. I mean, Bitcoin might be targeting 100K. For those Bitcoin lovers out there, you know, you guys are looking good. All right. So let's keep an eye on gold here. Let me delete this here. Just want to yeah. Very interesting here at this level, right? And this is off the 4-hour. No bottom wick though. We got about 40 minutes left. Oh, well, it has a bottom wick, but it's, I mean, look at this. It's a very small wick here, but it's a wick nonetheless, right? So we got a closure above here, man. It looks like gold is looking to continue to push up. So looking at the ranges, right? Remember, we have this level here, 2650. So I think 2650 might be the next target. Yeah, we might consider it tapping into that level. Let's see. It'll make sense to me that this will run up right around this level here, and then we get the drop back because you know, can't help but look at the daily candles, right? The previous 2 days, no bottom wick. But we got to come down and make those wicks. So it's probably going to come back down to this level down here, more or less. Yeah, at least 2560, 2555 or something like that. So yeah, I'm expecting that to drop back down here. Yeah. So let's keep an eye out for the next move on gold here. All right. So let's see here. Yeah, the 1 hour is just bullish. Notice this though on the 1 hour. What do we have here? Here's this guy right here. Got a nice little gap here. Try to move this thing. What's up with this thing is lagging. There we go. All right. Yeah, look at that, guys. We got a gap right here. Gap fill at about 2563. So yeah, price will definitely, excuse me, definitely come back down. Let's see how high. We gotta identify the top, which I think might be this area right here. I'm gonna have it marked up here, right there. So 2 levels, right? That's where it could potentially push up to. But notice how it's rejecting here. It's rejecting this resistance level off the 1 hour. So we're getting rejected here. So we got a closure below. Like I said, we got 37 minutes left. If this candle, after making this pretty decent top wick, if it flips bearish and we get a bearish closure, yeah, gold is going to start coming back down. So let's hang tight and we'll wait. All right, we got to wait for candles to close. We got to let candles print. So what I'll say, gang, is let's wait here. I want to see how it's going to close here. And then we might have buy stops at the break of the highs here, or we got a bearish closure here. Then I'll look for a retest of the resistance level here. And we'll take our entries there on the way down. So let's see. All right, 36 minutes, a lot of time. 36 minutes, this thing could just rip up halfway up the range. Then I'll see how it reacts at this level here. But we'll see. Are we going to close above or are we going to close below? We'll have to wait and see. All right, gang. So hang tight. I'll be back before candle closures, okay? All right, we got about 23 minutes left, gang, and yeah, well, so far it's flipping bearish here. See the 30-minute, we got this doji closure here. We pushed up, flipped, and closed bearish. And now this current 30-minute is not moving much here, but took out the lows here at least. Now it's flipping back up, so this could be the retest, maybe the continuation to the downside here. We'll wait and see. See the NAS has a gap here too. Right in here. It's a small gap, but now that it closed above, you can see this support, now resistance. We had that rejection there, and now we got a candle closure right over that clean break. This thing could continue to push up. I'm very interested in NAS buys, right? This thing could run up to 3,900. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, gang. Yeah, look, it looks like the NASDAQ is coming down to retest. Might be good for potential buys here if we remain above here. Let's see. Where's gold at? All right, gold flip bullish again. So we got 3 minutes left on this candle here, but it doesn't look like it's gonna close above here. Looks like it's rejecting from this level as well. Look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hours rejecting. It looks like the NASDAQ wants to come down a little bit here. This could have been a fake out too. Yeah, closed above. Yeah, this thing is probably gonna. Even if it makes a wick here, we're probably looking at potential buys here on the NASDAQ. All right, so we got a new candle here. The NASDAQ. Let me get rid of this here. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, so actually closed above. Yeah. we get a steeper wick, I'm gonna take a buy here. All right, gang, I took a buy here on gold, 2638.575. All right, stops are gonna be this candle here. Actually, yeah. All right, we're in profit here, gang. See how this looks on the 1 hour. All right, we're currently up about 9 pips. All right, we're up about 10 pips here. But I wanna, well, let me let it run a little bit longer. I wanna catch the this is gonna be my target, 2650-ish. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is about 30 pips here. Yeah, that's probably where I'll take partials there. All right, we're running in profit, gang, here. Going down now. What is it? 2638.57. I'll move the stop loss up 20 pips. I'll move it to 26.32. I'll get the cursor over here. There we go. That's cool. All right. Yeah, we're up about 18 pips. I want to see if we take out the highs here, it should run, but come back down. Yeah, we were up 18 pips just now, but I'm still letting it run. Haven't made any adjustments yet. There we go. We run up here. Yeah, currently 18 pips or 16. Oh, let's drop a little bit. But I'm trying to see if we can at least take out the highs here. If we run up about 20, 22 pips, I'll go break even right away. I don't want to take any chances here. Take risk off the table here. Because if you look at the 4-hour, although it made this bottom wick here, sometimes it want to come down and make a steeper wick. But if we can come up and at least tap the highs, you know, we'll take partials there. We'll be break even by then anyway. And, you know, wants to come down and flip and make a steeper wick, you know, we secure some profits already by that time. So now let's wait, right? Yeah, the reason for the buy is we had a candle closure right above the tip of this wick here. So closed above resistance, right? If I move it up to the candle body right there, you can clearly see the breakout there. So once this candle closed, breaking that resistance, now we made a bottom wick, right? We got in on, we took a wick entry here. So once we got a pullback, we took our buys here, and now we should see it continue to move up. But again, it can still come and make a steeper wick, possibly even take out the previous lows here and then flip. But hopefully we'll drive up after making this bottom wick here. So now we just wait, right? It's all in the hands of probability, gang, and we let it ride now. Whatever happens, happens, right? We have about what is that? About 65 pip stop loss. TP is at about 119 pips or so. Goldie, Goldie. Come on, Gold. Give us that push. Usually around this time we see most of the volume for the Asia session here. What is it? 9:13 p.m. time. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we were in 21 pips here, gang. All right. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go break even here. Uh, getting these things on. All right, gang. Stop loss at break even now, gang. All right. Set my stops at break even. All right. Risk-free trade, gang. So went break even at 21 pips, and we're still running up here. Yeah. All right. Let's see if it runs here. I already set my stops at break even here, so yeah, we're running. You can see here we're running about 20 pips now. Yeah. Once we take out the highs here, I'm gonna take partials. Yeah, that's a 30 pips. Ooh, here we go. Yep. All right. Hold on 1 second. All right. Yep. Took partials there at 31 pips. Perfect. Got a runner going. I close out 80% of my position. Boom. Beautiful trade, gang. We took out the highs here. So reason why I take partials here, a lot of times what happened is excuse me, what will happen is the market will come out and grab this wick here, take out the highs and then reflip. Sometimes it happens that way. A lot of times we break the highs and continue to drive up. But secure 31 pips there, gang. We got a winner. Beautiful trade. And holding runners here. Got a runner going here. So let's see. Are we gonna continue to drive up, or are we gonna pull back and get wicked out here at BE? And that's the thing with the trading, gang, that I always try to explain. It's the reaction. It's how you react, right? Look at this candle. Once it started pushing upwards, sorry. Once it started pushing up, you have to be quick. Go break even. You know, I went into my my account, put up my break even on the stop loss, and then once you're looking at the candles, you know, prior to the trade taking off, once I got in, you know, I already know where I'm gonna take partials or where I'm gonna close my trade out. You know, if I'm gonna take 50%, 80% of my trade of my profit here, and I targeted the wick high here. So once we took out the wick, I went ahead and closed partials and secured 31 pips here. And now we hold a runner, risk free, and this thing can drive up to our TP up here. Actually, I'm gonna put the TP at the very top of the range, right there. So that's about 26.49. Let me just adjust that. Yeah, 26.49 sounds about right. That's better. Yeah, so I'm targeting the range fill here. Yeah, gang, I closed about 80% of my position here. I got a small runner going here. Secured 31 pips already. Yeah, so you have to react to the market as the market is moving. You see these candles, they spike up impulsively. They pull back down impulsively. So you have to make those adjustments rather quickly. So you have to be on top of it. Trade's looking good so far. Yeah, gang, if you haven't gone break even yet, I would advise you do that now. We're running about 29 pips in profit currently. So just make sure you go at least break even. If you want to take some partials, you can shave some partials now. You know, some pretty decent profit at this point. So it's always important to secure some partials when you can. But if you're looking to hold for for further push to the upside, just I highly recommend you go break even. This thing can flip bearish, close back below the range, or want to come back down, right down here to, like I said, sweep the lows here before reflipping. So got to be careful with that. So make sure you eliminate risk. And then you have that peace of mind when you're trading, right? You have to manage risk the best way you can. Come on, gold. You're gonna keep pushing up. It already took out the highs and then pulled down, then went back up, re-broke the highs again. Now it's kind of trading just under it there, but hopefully we can get a nice push to the upside. There's no bottom wick on this 5 minute. Might want to come down and take the wicks down here. Hopefully we'll get a further push to the upside here. So 15 minute came down, made a bottom wick. We reflip and re-break the highs. It should push up further. It's like gold is struggling to push up here. You can still push up. Just waiting to see how this candle closes. Here it is. It rebroke the highs just now. All right, now we're going. That's good. Beautiful. Oop, go right back down. That 30-minute close. Where did it close? It closed below that high, but get a small wick here. We should get flipped. 30 minutes is going to take out the previous 30-minute highs. We should get a push. Everything's indicating it'll push up further. Let's see. Yeah, it's running 33 pips in profit now, gang. There we go. Nice. Ooh, big pullback. Yo, gold is wilding, bro. Pushed up here and then just dropped. It's yeah, that's what I mentioned earlier. See how we came out, took out the highs, right? And then now we can flip. It's possible that sometimes it re-breaks the highs, flips, and then continues down, or a lot of times it'll make a small top wick, right? And then flip bearish, take out the previous lows, right? Grab that wick, and then flip. But let's see. Yeah, there we go. This is where I closed. This is why I took partials at 31 pips. That's where the price at right now, but I want to see if we can drive up further up. Yeah. It looks like gold definitely doesn't want to push up here. All right, we got about less than 20 minutes. We got about 19 minutes to this candle closure here. Let's see. Let's see how it closes up. If we don't make a strong push up, if we don't get wicked out, I'm probably gonna just close my partial. Sorry, close my runner and call it a night. Like I said, I already secured 31 pips in profit, so pretty decent night. Nice grab on the pips there. Nice bag, you know. So we made some money tonight. But I wanted to see this thing run up though. I mean, you know, we got a pretty nice push up, but it's just kind of lagging here, and you know, I wanted to see this thing drive up. It's not enough volume to push it up right now. Not to say later during London, this thing might not rip up to the top, but it's really stalling right now. Take a quick look at Bitcoin. Ooh, Bitcoin's coming down. Look, Bitcoin making a little correction here. Interesting. All right, now we're making a strong push up here. There we go. And we're 15 minutes closing bearish. Yeah, gold might be wanting to kind of retest down here. It might come and tap into this level and then flip up. Yeah. Don't know, gang. Don't think I'm gonna stick around for. Ooh, we're gonna keep pushing down here. On the top, it might put. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, 30 minutes bearish. Well, Um, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna close my runner here. All right. Yeah, I close my runner here, gang. I'm out. Like I said, secure 31 pips though. Pretty decent trade. But we're out of this one now. So not bad tonight, guys. Not bad tonight. 31 plus pips on that gold buy, which is fantastic. The Nasdaq again is starting to rip up, right? Look at this on the Nasdaq. Very simple analogy. We got the breakout, right? See these. This is a resistance here. This candle closed below, but this candle closed above test, and then now we get the push. So those who want to buy, I would buy. I would buy Nasdaq all the way to the top here. Yeah. All right, gang. Well, that's all I got for tonight, gang. Again, I appreciate you guys coming by, hanging out, taking these trades with me, making some money together, analyzing the charts. I hope you guys learned something tonight. And yeah, for my platform members, I will be trading the New York session tomorrow. And yeah, stay tuned. We got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow after the closing bell. So Thursday morning should be very interesting, actually. But I feel like the markets will be moving um, pre Nvidia earnings, and shortly after the Asia session should be pretty good for the Nasdaq tomorrow as well. Yeah, I expect Nasdaq to pump up, and then we should get the drop once it makes either taps the highs or breaks all-time highs, and then it'll give us a big drop. So yeah, looking forward to that, and yeah, everyone have a great night. God bless. And again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out if you haven't done so. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. God bless. Have a good night. Peace out.